For today's video is we're going to cook a pinakbet, guys. Let's chop the onion. And next is garlic. First step of cooking a pinakbet is prepare your ingredients, and yeah, this is it. So you have to wash your vegetables, then chop the onion and garlic. And now heat the pan and add a cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, saute the onion and garlic. When the onion and garlic are slightly brown, add the vegetables. After you put the vegetables, you need to mekos. So after 3 minutes, add the soy sauce. Mekos again. So now let's add a Ajinomoto. I know it's not good when I'm using this one now, but good to use this, but you know, I like it, so yeah, toxic living. Ay, kabalo na ko ninyo guys, mga OA. So let's wait for 2 minutes. It's lata-lata na. Kumok na siya. Don't need a salt na because of the soy sauce. It's already salty. You know. Now it's already cooked na. So let's transfer it to the plate. Excuse me. Ayaw pagduol.
No, I like that one.
For today's video, guys, let me introduce to you my nephew. His name is Jum Jum. So this is him, guys. Say hi to our friends. Dali.
Hi.
Oh, ka? Are you shy? So now my nephew, we're going to taste my pinakbet. Sige daw. Eat.
Good.
Good. Very yummy? Sure? You're not joking? Aww. Kiss tita din, be. So, he really like a okra.